Hey elites, and welcome to my channel. On here we talk everything fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and everything in between. And today is super special for me. This is the first time I placed an order at Akira. I'm so excited. I have been wanting to purchase some items from there for a while. I wasn't sure about the sizing. I wasn't sure about the quality, but that's why we're here, because we're fixing to get into all of that. I picked out a few pieces. I'm having an upcoming photo shoot. I wanted some statement pieces that would stand out, and that's what Akira is known for. The quality, statement pieces, and giving all the looks. So stay tuned, lock in, and we're gonna check some of these outfits out. So up first is this gorgeous top. This is definitely going to be a part of my photo shoot. It's the details for me. I got this in a size extra large, and I'll be sure to link everything below. I'm not even sure how I'm gonna tie the back. I did a bow here, but I can also just leave a one tie action and have it a little bit longer. But I love this top. Chartreuse is one of my favorite colors. I think it complements melon skin beautifully. The top is a little cropped, so if that's something you're not comfortable with, you would either need to do high waist jean or bottom in order to cover. But it does have this stretchy detail all the way around, which is I absolutely love. The sleeves speak for themselves. The detail is just everything. And I just think it gives a dramatic, bold look. So cute, so bold. Oh my God, I am in love, 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 love. I love this top. This is everything to me. This is absolutely one of my favorites in this haul. This next piece gives all the drama and then some. Okay, look at all of the material. Do you see this? Keep in mind, I'm 5'11". Look how low and long this top goes. So this is pretty unique top because straps that tie in the back to make this secure. And then it is a low cut top showing your shoulders, which I think is super sexy. And then the detail is in the arms. You can see, look at this. So it's a little too much for me. It's a lot of material. It is super long. I feel that it kind of swallows me up. This is the type of outfit that you wear on those special occasions when you want to make a statement. I believe I got this in extra large or large. I'll be sure to include it below. This is an item that I will probably be returning just because it's just a little dramatic for me, but it might be the look for you. I wanted you to see how everything fits. I would say this runs big. You can see huge stretch. Like I said, it's a bunch of material. I think this could actually be a one size fits all top. But the colors are beautiful. That's what I fell in love with, the green and the neutrals. So it is a cute top, just not for your girl. Do you see the details? This top is stunning. It is absolutely beautiful. This is like, I don't even know what type of material this is. It feels like leather quality. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely something that is going to be a statement. I just absolutely love this. My only problem is that I'm squeezed up in this thing. This is an extra large. I need a 1X. Let me tell you why. This is the back. It has this asymmetrical design. Shows a little of the skin on the side, so if that's something you're not comfortable with, you need to keep that in mind. but I had to squeeze up in this thing to get it to fit. Now, keep in mind, it is stretchy. Don't get me wrong, but I would have been more comfortable if I was one size up. So the question is, do I keep this and wiggle my way in it and maybe lose a few pounds? Because I went back online and they do not have 1X, they are sold out. So I'm debating, should I just keep this and deal with it? See, you can see how it's kind of rolling up in the back. But I love it so much. I love it so much. And if I'm doing a photo shoot, are you even gonna see the back? Okay? So I'm just debating, but I had to show you this top. It is just so cute. I absolutely love the design and the detail and the, oh my God. So cute. Let me know below. Do I need to take this back or do I need to keep it? So next up are these pants. I had to adjust the camera because they were so long and I wanted you to get everything. Okay, so definitely statement pants. These are cute. They have pockets. I got this in a 1X. I was just so afraid they weren't gonna fit because I didn't know their sizing. Definitely could have got an extra large or maybe even a large. These fit really, really big. But they're cute, they're different. I like the balloon detail. You can even see on the sides, they tie up. So that would even be a really cute, let me see. Really big, yeah, I probably need to get large. So you can kind of play with the hem of the pants. But again, they're just too big. I feel like I'm drowning in these. I'm debating if I'm gonna go back and get a smaller size or these aren't for me, but they do have some stretch in it, which is I like the stretch. But again, just a little bit too big for me. Another statement piece from Akira. I would definitely pair this with like, kind of like the top that I have on now. I want the top to be fitted. When you have a big bottom that flares like this, you wanna wear something that's fitted on the top so it can kind of balance you out. Other than that, these are cute, just the wrong size. This last piece is this blazer. You know I love me a good blazer, so I want to see how their blazers fit. I got this in an extra large. So here's the thing about this. Quality is amazing and even is a little heavy. It has like some weight to it. It has shoulder pads. It has the cutout detail in the back, like so. And I was even thinking to get like one of those lace long sleeve tops to wear even underneath. I want your size to be out and you don't feel that secure about that. I think that would be a look too. The only other thing is I would need to put some boob tape. I definitely don't see a bra being able to be worn without it showing. See? That's a lot going on. Definitely cannot wear a bra without it showing because the cut is so high, but it is so unique, right? And it's a fly piece. I got this in extra large. These are real pockets as well. So again, debating if this is something I should keep and work with. Is this even? This side look a little longer than the other side. Am I tripping? And I got them buttoned correctly. That's something I'm just not noticing. Anyway, so yeah, so what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this blazer? Or would you wear it? I don't even like it with these pants. If these pants weren't so big, I could definitely wear this with some jeans. You can dress down this blazer, or you can wear it with some nice, cute slacks. It's a vibe. Really cute. So these are all of my looks from Akira. I believe they have a new customer. Now, just to let you know, I know you guys used to the sheen and the rainbow. These aren't the sheen and rainbow prices. You don't have to spend a little coin, but the quality is there. And I love these statement pieces that they give. I mean, these are pieces that are definitely be able to stand the test of time in your wardrobe. I'm really feeling Akira, and I would definitely be shopping there again. Just debating on which pieces I'm gonna send back. Let me know below which ones was your favorite. Which ones should I exchange some sizes on these? Let your girl know. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this haul. Thank you for all the love and support. Until next time, bye.